Good afternoon everyone, I am Naveen from grade 7 and today I am going to explain brain and its functions. This is the brain, one of the most complex and important parts of our body. It is divided into three parts known as cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Cerebrum. This is the most important part of the brain and also the most largest as it controls our willpower, intelligence and consciousness of our body. As it is divided into two parts, one as the cerebral hemispheres, as you can see, and this is the cerebellum. It is the second part of our brain, and it controls all the muscular actions and balance of our body. And as you can see, this lower part is known as medulla oblongata, which extends further to become the spinal cord. This is responsible for all the involuntary actions such as heartbeat, respiration, breathing, etc. So this is brain, and this was the function of brain. It is one of the most important parts, and it is very important to keep our brain safe. And so we have a skull upon this brain which protects our brain. Thank you.